Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can post a draft video on TikTok. So let's say you have a draft video and you want to post it on TikTok, but you don't know how to. First thing what you want to do is go on your draft. But before I show you the steps on how to do that, I will first create a draft, because some people don't know how to create a draft. Alright, so to create a draft, it's pretty simple. You click on plus at the bottom and you record yourself a video. So I'm going to record a random video and I will click on next at the bottom right and I will click on draft. And just like this, I just created a draft. Now, let's say I want to upload the draft video. What I need to do is go on profile at the bottom right. Once I'm inside my TikTok profile, you can see the drafts option. It's showing me draft 1 because I only have one draft. But if you have multiple, it's going to show you multiple. Just click on the draft and click on the draft you want to upload. And it's going to take you to your draft. Now over here, if you want to add some extra music, extra sticker, all the thing, you can add from over here, but I don't want to add anything, so I will just leave it at this. Alright, and what I need to do is click on next at the bottom. Once I click on next, I can add a caption over here, so I will add a caption called drafts. And you don't have to write drafts, alright? You can write whatever caption you want. I'm just writing it to show you. You guys can write it, and you can choose to whom you want to share over here. By clicking on, everyone can view this post. Or you can also click on share to get the link of the video. Alright, so I will click on post at the bottom right, and a draft video will be posted. So let's wait for some time. As you guys can see, the draft video just got posted. That's how we guys can post a draft video on TikTok. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.